Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites Blush and Glow Kit. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I will do my best to reply back. This set retails for $36 and it includes 5 different products. I do want to read a little bit about this set on Sephora's website. A limited edition set of blushes and highlighters from a Lit From Within glow that includes full-size blushes from Nars and Melt Cosmetics. Here's a closer look on what the packaging looks like. It says Sephora Favorites Blush and Glow. This retails for $36, but it has an $85 value. And then you have a picture of all 5 products included. Up at the top, it says Sephora Favorites. Same thing down at the bottom, it says Sephora Favorites. On the side of the packaging, it's just the continuation of the design. Same thing on this side. On the back, you have a little description. Then you have the ingredients listed of each product included. Here's what everything looks like inside. The packaging isn't as sturdy as the previous Sephora sets. We're gonna start off with the first full-size product. This is by Nars. Here we have a full-size blush from Nars. This is in the shade Orgasm. You get 0.16 ounces or 4.8 grams of product. Underneath that, it states it was made in Canada and it has a 24-month shelf life. Here's what the shade in Orgasm looks like. It does come with a mirror. I've never tried the shade in Orgasm before. Here's what that looks like. Super pretty. Orgasm is described as a peachy pink with shimmer. That's so pretty. I probably never tried this blush shade in Orgasm before because it has shimmer in it, but let's see what it looks like applied to the cheek. Using a clean blush brush, let's see what this looks like. I'm getting a tiny bit of fallout. Let's see what this looks like. Here's what the Nars Blush shade in Orgasm looks like. It's definitely way too glowy for my liking. Next up, we have a deluxe size blush from Tarte. Here's what it looks like. It says Tarte. This is called the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Partay. You get 1.5 grams of product or 0.052 ounces. It has a 12-month shelf life and it was made in China. It doesn't come with a mirror. This shade is described as a nude. Here's what the shade in Partay looks like. A couple years back, this same shade in Partay was in a Sephora birthday gift. I chose the makeup set instead of the skincare item at the time. I remember hitting pan on this blush. I really did like it. What Tarte Cosmetics said in 2018 when they released their Shape Tape foundation about the darker shades did not sit well with me. I don't support them anymore. They're not inclusive, but I will test out this blush shade in Partay for you guys. I just finished cleaning my blush brush. Let's see what the shade in Partay looks like. Again, I'm getting a ton of fallout. Here's what the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush shade in Partay looks like. I like how natural it looks on the skin. Let's see what the next product looks like. This is from Nudestick. Here we have a deluxe size product from Nudestick. This is called the Nudies All Over Face Bronze Color. You get 1.8 grams of product or 0.07 fluid ounces. This shade is called Sunkissed. It was made in Korea and it has a 12-month shelf life. Sunkissed is described as a coral bronze. That is super pigmented. I forgot to twist this up to see how much product we get. Here's how much product comes inside. Let's see what this looks like applied to the cheek. And then I'll use my finger to blend it out. Here's what the shade in Sunkissed looks like. It did lift up the foundation underneath, but that's totally fine. I do want to see what it looks like blended out using a dampened beauty blender. I think it looks a little bit better, but again, it did lift up the foundation underneath. I tried to even out the blush so it can cover up my hyperpigmentation. I think it looks so much better. Let's see what the last blush looks like. Here we have a full-size blush from Melt Cosmetics. This is called the Cream Blush Light in Sandy Cheeks. You get 4.5 grams of product or 0.14 ounces. It was made in Italy and it has a 16-month shelf life. It comes with a mirror. Here's what the shade in Sandy Cheeks looks like. It's very soft in the pan. Sandy Cheeks is described as a burnt peach. I like the formula, it's very creamy. I'm going to be using the bottom of my beauty blender to stamp this on the cheek. Here's what the shade in Sandy Cheeks looks like from Melt Cosmetics. I think I might have applied too much product, but this shade is so pretty. The last product in this set is from Iconic London. Here we have a mini size highlighter from Iconic London. On the back it states it was made in Italy and it has a 12-month shelf life. It states to shake well before use, so let's give it a good little shake. I like how it comes in a dropper. This shade is called Original. It's described as a champagne toned shimmer to add a golden shine. A little bit of product goes a long way. I'll just apply one drop. Blend this out using my finger. Wow, that is bright. Taking my beauty blender, I'm gonna go over it. Here's what the highlighter looks like. The beauty blender did tone it down a bit, but it is very vibrant in person. Here's what all 5 products look like swatched on the back of my hand. For $36, I think this set is a great value. The full-size Nars Blush retails for $32. The full-size Cream Melt Blush retails for $24. If you were to purchase the 2 full-size blushes alone, you would be paying $56. I like the products that were included in this set. I wish Sephora would have included a high-end product, maybe a blush from Dior or YSL. I think that would have been cool. I don't see myself reaching for this blush shade in Orgasm. It's too shimmery for my liking. I was so surprised. I liked how easily this formula blended out from Melt Cosmetics. I'm super impressed by the formula. I'm not a huge highlighter person. I will be passing this along. Same thing with the Tarte blush. I didn't like how the Nudestick Cream Blush looks on my cheeks. I definitely want to try out a different shade. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on purchasing this set for yourself or for a loved one. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.